wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am finally back trying a new product. So you guys want to know more about this one, which I feel like you probably will. Let's go. So I have here the new e.l.f. Cosmetics Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. This retails for $10 for 2.7 ounces. e.l.f. Cosmetics Shockingly Fine Bi-Phase Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray features a water-based phase and moisturizing oil-based phase. Boost with 5% aloe plus hyaluronic acid, squalene, and green tea seed oil. Shake to activate the power of both phases for dewy, long-lasting makeup looks. Let's see details. Gives skin a dewy, hydrated finish. Shake to activate. Shockingly fine mist, non-sticky. Okay, let's get into this. So I already did my face, so we can just skip to the part where I spray on the setting spray. First of all, trying to find this was like trying to find Waldo, okay? I went to Ulta and they had a whole display, like as soon as you walk in, wiped out. The girlie was like, oh baby, you're late, okay? The girlies came in, they snatched it all up. So I could have just gone home and ordered this online, but she was like, maybe it was sold out or something like that. She was like, yeah, like literally we can just order it for you in the store. And I want to say it was at my house like 2 or 3 days later. So let's go ahead, try this out, because the Power Grip Primer, so if they put that in a setting spray, e.l.f. might have did that one. Let's see. Listen, I just got my silk press, so I'm not playing. And I can't find where the bonnet I literally just had on went. So I'm gonna have to do what we gotta do, but dust off this powder. Oh, how do you mist out first? Oh, okay. Ooh. And then, you know, while the face is still a little damp, I'm gonna take my good old Dior powder and just pat that over my face. Okay, so this is what my face looks like all set. It is 1:40, so I'm gonna come back later so we can see how this held up. I don't know, I'm starting to cramp, so I was like, I might go sit outside, you know, fresh air, stuff like that. So we'll really see, you know, how this holds makeup together throughout the day. It is currently 78, so let's go. Okay, y'all, so it is 6:04. This is my face looks like. When I say it really feels like my face has not moved. Now I did go outside earlier, but I had to like rush back inside. So really I was probably outside for like, I don't know, 30 minutes ish, because it started to downpour out of nowhere. Like, mind you, I like rain, but I don't like rain when I have to be outside, okay? Why can't it rain when I got nothing to do, I'm inside and I'm trying to sleep? Anyway, but I did get some, you know, time outside. I probably looked at my face like 2 hours ago and I was like, you know, I feel like my face is actually giving a little like matte, which I really feel like it shouldn't be. Now it can be in combination with the other things that you have on your face, but even like the other things I have on my face, I have the NARS Natural Radiant, that's not a matte, foundation. I do have the one size concealer with the NARS concealer as well, but like I feel like that wasn't enough. But I felt like my face was giving a little matte-ish. And this is the, you know, Power Grip Dewy setting spray, and I'm wearing a natural radiant foundation. Now mind you, I don't want like a dewy finish. Y'all know I go more for like that natural skin but better type finish. And I was like, not that it's a problem, but just kind of like the claims of the setting spray. But now we are probably like 5 hours in. I think I left around like 1 in the afternoon, and I feel like my face isn't looking dewy, but my face is starting to get to that point where like the makeup is settling on my face. You know, when you let your makeup cook, I feel like that is where we are getting, but I'm not mad at how it looks. Now earlier I did have to rush to the bathroom to grab like tissue paper or something like that, because I'm one of those people, like if something is very, very funny, I start tearing up, and I was like, no, I'm doing a wear test, that can happen. So I grabbed paper to, you know, like dot around my eyes to stop it from falling down my face. Mind you, this Kendrick beef, the jokes are just rolling, okay? And I noticed something, so I was like, let me try that again one more time, like on camera, so you know, fresh little what I noticed earlier is, baby, where, like you see the little like dots right there, the transfer ain't no transfer, okay? Look at it, look at it. Excuse me? Yeah, Elf might have did something with this setting spray. That's what got me, okay? Mind you, I could, hold on, let's see. Like push, I am pushing on my face. The push got a little more, you see that? Do you see that there? Excuse me. Face ain't going nowhere with this, okay? Elf done did it again. That is what sold me on this one for $10, okay? Now again, you might have to play around with some of the other products that you use on your face. If you do like the actual matte finish to your face, I felt like it was kind of giving me a matte finish, but now I feel like it's giving me a, I don't know, maybe soft matte. It's not giving me dewy. I don't know about that, but like wearing it, long wear, how it, you know, keeps makeup together on your face. Excuse me. Now dragging it, I might be dragging it by trying to drag this across my face. Yeah, dragged it, literally. But also, you would literally have to drag it to get it to transfer off. Like, okay, Elf. Now I want to see what would this do in combination with that one size, etc. I feel like maybe that might be doing a little too much there. Like your face would never move with that combination if that's just this off the Elf, I almost said primer. Yeah, absolutely, positively, I am here for this setting spray, okay? And again, $10. I see why the girlies snatched it up, okay? Because it's not playing. It is not playing with y'all this summer. Elf done did that again. So yo, those are my thoughts on this setting spray. I hope hearing it has helped. If any of you thinking of checking it out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.